Looks like Dagger's team has them hold off over there.
Do you have the range to get out there, or do you need me to spot?
Okay. Alright, we're down one.
We're down one. Wanna be already?
I got two more.
Hey.
We still got contact, right flank.
We still got Dagger guys over there. How far right flank? Over that way?
One of those that was from the two groups. Hey. I'll take one.
Like we'll go along the tree line.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Well, here's what we're gonna do. So I'll go to that tree line. We're gonna start pushing this way and help out our teams on the right.
Alright.
Good copy.
Griffin, let's go.
We'll catch any stragglers.
Griffin.
I know, come this way.
People watching the very back. So I know there's more people over there. Alright. So try to stay in this area. We're gonna go around. Griffin.
Contact! Mike Wells! Mike Wells! Guys, contact! Mike 12.
See the whole movement over there?
Yeah, I see them all.
Alright.
Okay, I see them now. Okay, we got two coming in on about 2 o'clock.
Shitload of guys flanking us! 2 or 3! 2 or 3!
4.
4!
3 o'clock! 3 o'clock!
Okay, one backed out. So it's still 3.
Where are they at?
3 o'clock!
In the brush!
We're taking fire from our 12
Yeah,
right
I
there.
see him. He can't hit us from here. I'm not too concerned about it. Woo!
Reloading.
Facial action.
Lots of people. Alright. See the movement? They're inside the tree line right now.
Yeah, I see him. I'm waiting for him to get a little bit closer. Before I open up on him.
You get close. You see him in the...
Yeah.
He's
He's hit.
Got him down.
Nice shot.
Guys,
nice
guys
shot.
flanking.
More people! Got your soul!
Alright, talk to me. What? Go! Same spot. Got him.
Hey, Garrett, watch your...
He's running. What the fuck is he running?
Reload.
Hard right! Hard right!
We've got like 6 of them over there now. We might want to move.
Yeah, hey.
They're gonna angle us back.
It's a good way to move.
Yeah,
Move
moving.
back. Hold on.
Cover, go! Moving! Get me covered!
Hey.
Get me covered!
Let's move together. Come on. Go, go, go.
Too right!
I gotta change that battery. Echo's dying.
Hard right!
There's people flanking over here.
Go with it.
Copy. Got it there.
Get him, take him. If you see him, take him.
You
Get him.
Hit.
That tree is a threat to national.
Hey, look! Hi!
That's our guy. That's not our guy. Shoot
It's
him.
not our guy.
Why does no one wave back?
Because they're your enemy.
It pisses me off. They can at least be cordial about shooting me. There you go.
Did we go through the creek?
Yeah. You going down the creek that hard?
What?
You going down the creek to flank around?
I'm going to cross that bridge to something.
Alright. Now flank the creek. Alright. No, it's my home creek. Yeah. Sorry for it.
I didn't see him. Who got hit?
Guarantee. There's only other contact.
I didn't get hit.
No one got hit. I don't think so. They're moving, they're moving. They have the high ground advantage. We got a guy on the opposite side of the creek.
Got more on this side.
Right.
He got hit.
Oh. Hey, yeah, that hurt. Something's good.
Where's that saw at?
Hey, are there any
Are they anything?
There's one on the second story, and then there's one on the bottom story. The guy on the bottom story is right.
Well, we're pushing. Hit!
We're all dead. We're all dead.
I can't pull you out.
I'll tell you guys to quit firing.
Yeah, I told you I'm shooting them. They're all dead.
Okay, okay.
Are you dead?
They're dead. They're dead.
We're all dead. We're just trying to get out.
Okay, come on back. Sorry.
Nice one. Oh, that was great.
Dude, they just got lit up.
No. Now they finally wised up. He said he could.